With a powerful array of features, Jobman streamlines the sales process with transparent and efficient lead management. Navigate to the Settings tab on the User menu panel and select Leads. Here is where you will configure and customize your settings. Lead details is information that may be helpful during the sales and quoting process. To add a new detailed question, click Create, enter the question name, select the answer type from the drop-down menu and click Create again to save. Member types are typically internal and provides the option to categorize by workgroup when adding a member to a lead. Operations are the steps required in the workflow process. Each step may contain a series of tasks for completion. To add a new operation, click Create, name the operation, select the labor center to link to and save. The status is used to track the lead's progress and show which stage the lead is at. Click Create to add a new status or select an existing status and click Update to make changes. Lead types are used to categorize the lead and allow for the streamlining of the sales process with workflows that are customized for different job types. To add a new lead type, click Create, name the lead type, and select the job types to link using the drop-down menu. Navigate to the Settings tab and select Items. This is where you can create detailed questions for lead specifications. Configured to your organization, this can be used to define rooms, areas, or even products that you sell. Jobman uses groups to categorize different items. Select Add New to create a new question group. Enter the group name, add the item types, and select an option from one of the checkboxes, such as being able to duplicate the group. To add a question to an existing group, click on the plus icon. Delete an entire group by selecting the trash icon. Move an entire group with drag and drop functionality by clicking and holding on the menu icon. Double-clicking on the group's name will open a window where you can make changes and updates to the group's settings. Remember, help is always just a click away on the User menu panel. Simply type your question to search for what you need. Here is where you will find all the answers and documentation to guide you. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest content.